Hey there, YouTube. This is a tutorial about how to make a tutorial. Now, the first thing you want to know while making a tutorial is that the longer you pause, the more emphasis it makes on what you're about to say. So now, notice how I paused after saying now, and you were intent to wait for me to say the next thing. Now you want to do this as often as possible, not just to make emphasis on what you say, but to waste people's time. And that's ultimately what we want to do while making this tutorial. So, the first thing we're going to want to do is make sure we have very long-winded comments about certain things that aren't what the topic of the video is about. So now, what the topic of this video is about is how to make a tutorial. So notice I'm making several comments about how to talk when you want to know how to make the video. So I'm going to procrastinate on any specifics about how to do this certain screen recording that I'm doing right now and any technicality, and I'm going to rush through that. So notice how I'm still talking about the very same thing, but I'm reiterating it in several different ways. And this is something that you're going to want to do often while making a YouTube video. I've already wasted about 2 minutes, a minute 45. And another thing you want to do is make sure you talk for copious amounts of time. And when I say copious, I mean copes, except the longer version of that word. So what you're going to want to do is go to Spotlight, go to QuickTime, and make sure you have everything done. So let's try this again. I'm going to have a QuickTime player on my Spotlight, and then I'm going to try that again. So I'm going to go to Spotlight, and I have a hotkey that I'm using for Spotlight, but I'm not going to tell you how to do it. And then I'm going to hit return, and it's already pulled up. Now, the thing that we want to do is already taken because I'm using it to make this video. So, in which case, I'm going to further explain how it theoretically could be done. So, I'm going to do a technique, what I like to call pretending, and I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So, what you're going to want to do is scroll down to your new screen recording and click on it like so. And as you notice, it popped right up here in the center, and it is a black box that says screen recording, and it has a play button. And so what you're going to want to do is click on that like so. Okay, and now we're recording. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe to my tutorials, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, YouTube.